Hello everyone, Kamen John here, and welcome back to another Kamen Rider Gotchard video. So today, it's going to be a short one, but I wanted to talk about some new stuff that kind of dropped last night and a couple days ago. So yeah, as you can see, we have a new form here, 5th form. So we have Gotchard, and then we have the Skateboard one, Skateboard one, Samurai, and then we have the Ant Wrestler, which is debuting episode 5. Episode 4 was the Deep Mariner Venom Dake one. So now we have a new one here. So probably episode 6 or 7, something around there. I don't know what the other forms are called actually. I don't really know. I think it's Ant Wrestler is the newest one. But anyway, we have Kamen Gotchard BurningGorilla. So here is the form. Now, if you're wondering what are these cards, so obviously it's gonna be Gorilla Sensei and Burning Nero, as you can see right here. But you have like the chili peppers on the face and like the flame, and on the hands as well. And then you have like the gorilla part everywhere else. This suit's actually really fire. I'm kind of surprised. I didn't think this combination would work. You know, it looks great. I really like this suit. I mean, honestly, I like all the combinations so far. I think they're really great. They're really creative and really interesting. My favorite being the Ant Wrestler is probably my favorite besides Gotchard main form. And then the Skateboard one is probably my third favorite. I love the gorilla form. You gotta have a gorilla form. Yeah, pretty cool. I just wanted to talk about that real quick. Shoulder pads remind me of this from Daijujin. It reminds me of a Ranger thing. Basically is what I'm trying to say. So I just thought I would point that out, make that little comparison. That's what it reminds me of, I'm not gonna lie. So another new form, 5th form for Gotchard. Hopefully we'll see more before the upgrade or the middle upgrade. So yeah, pretty interesting. So the last thing I want to talk about, coming from Collectibles, and this is something that happens every single year. It's probably been happening since the early 2000s, since there has been gimmicks. We have the Gotchard Charadeco Christmas Ride Chemy card set. So obviously this doesn't include the cake, but we have here's the Gotchard cake, and then there's some cards right here. So we are here to talk about the cards, and this is something I'm definitely cute Christmas cards. Now these are EX promos of the main form. You have I believe Tonakai Liner, if I'm reading that. It's kind of small, but it's a Christmas version of Steamliner, and it's a reindeer, Rudolph specifically because it's got the red nose. And then you have Santa Claus, which is Hopper 1 Santa Claus, which is adorable. And I love Hopper 1 so much. You guys don't even know. Y'all don't even know. But those are the Christmas cards, it says right there. And then we have this. Now, this is the main reason why I'm getting these. These are 3 promo cards for secondary riders. And these are some of my favorites ever. First of all, you have the 3 Bs here, right? You have Birth, Beast, and Baron, which is kind of funny. You have Birth from Oz, Beast from Wizard, and Baron from Gaim. Now, Birth and Beast are some of my favorites. Beast probably being in my top 3, to be honest. Maybe even my favorite. I love Beast so much. He's great. I love his belt, I love his power-up. I love Beast. And then Birth I love a lot as well. Just a big fan of Oz. And Baron, I like Baron quite a bit. He's not my favorite. I'm more of a Kota fan myself, but Baron he's okay. I mean, you get the little banana guy. You got the lion with the 4 arrows representing the form changes, and the Birth, which is literally a gachapon machine. I'm very excited for these, and it makes Christmas LEDs in the drivers. Basically all I wanted to talk about, just a little bit of new things coming from Gotchard. I will obviously update you guys as more stuff comes out. Maybe not like a whole entire, I try to like keep the card things limited, you know, but if there's new cards like something like this, then I'll definitely try to keep you guys updated. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying Gotchard. See you guys in the next video.